Hey guys, so we've got a council inspection at one of the blocks of flat being managed on Friday, and as a landlord and letting agents, always, for me at least, I always feel I need to pop around in advance to make sure that everything is okay. So I thought I'd do a quick recce now. So obviously that needs to be removed. I think that just works in some of the empty flats. This side of the property is still empty. Yeah, so this particular side's empty. It's fine, no, it's just full enough. Let's put it here for now. But yeah, I'll put it here. Just for now, so we can sort this out. Yeah, this side is empty, but it's just good to have a look around and make sure everything's okay, just in case. And let's do some works here as well. That looks nice now. Done. Let's have a look. Everything's clear and central. So that's the office there. Again, it's just some work, so we're just going to tidy all that up. So just to paint that, we've just removed the letterbox. Let's go upstairs. All fine. So that fell off the other side, so I need to go back and put it on properly. This one. Now I need to finish painting that. Put that in. And pull back. So this is send somebody out to have a look at that plug. I'm not sure why that bag's there. I've talked to the tenants. And I guess to send Ken out to do the gardening here. Maybe have a look at that fence as well. But yeah, everything seems to be good order. Just gardening here. Alright, nice day today actually. It's a really good area. Yeah, alright, see you.